Well, hello there. You have arrived while I have taken a moment to step outside onto our beautiful terrace area. But you have arrived at SocialMediaVerse Me. And as you can see, we have a meeting room and we have a beautiful terrace. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through our wonderful environment here. So here we are in SocialMediaVerse virtual reality lobby. And as you can see, this is quite a beautiful space with meeting rooms, with videos playing of the variety of trainings available and more, and some quiet space for having meetings or small functions. So next we're going to go ahead and visit our lecture hall so you can see where all the fun happens. So here we are. We have just teleported into the lecture hall of SocialMediaVerse Me, and you can see it's quite an attractive lecture hall environment where our avatars can meet and join in one of these seats. You can see there are multiple laptops available to be utilized by our joining avatars. And of course, the avatars will be remoting to their own technologies and their own laptops so that they can take part in any of the materials that are being shared by the presenter from the podium at the front. So welcome to the lecture hall. And you can see that there are a number of doors that allow us to step away from the lecture. We can go back out to a meeting room. And we can go back out the way that we came in to our lobby area to choose a whole other environment to go ahead and work in or collaborate or just hang out. We have just jumped directly from our lecture hall into our SocialMediaVerse meeting room. And we can see that this is not only a fabulous view from our meeting room, but we have a wonderful terrace outside that we could take a break. And we have a great meeting room here for our avatars to come together and join around the table and collaborate and work together on projects, all in the metaverse. So hope you enjoyed the tour of SocialMediaVerse Me in the virtual reality world, and look forward to seeing you out here.